Hello you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Gypsy Escape. If you are new here, hello, my name is Annie, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to do so and do hit the notification bell button to be notified each time I upload a video. So this vlog is very much unplanned. I took a day off from work as I wasn't feeling my absolute best. मुझे इस मंथ ऋषिकेश भी जाना था, बट बिकॉज ऑफ द हाइक इन द कोविड केसेस आई कैंसल दैट प्लान. और मेरा मतलब ये है दैट आफ्टर अ मंथ और सो आई डू नीड अ ब्रेक, and otherwise I just can't function, and that is what is happening today. So आज का vlog जो था basically I guess many people can relate to, for the days when you feel absolutely shit, you have nothing productive to do, you feel like you just want to lay around. And अभी का time हो चुका है almost 2:30. I woke up around 12:30 or something, and I was like, okay, a round of just lounging around and sleeping. I'll try to make this day as productive as I can, and maybe you people who are seeing and going through same can be motivated, even one person. And even if one person is motivated कि हाँ even आप ऐसे times में times में अगर एक दो task भी complete कर सकते हो, it's an achievement and I am proud of you guys. So yeah, that is what I'll be doing. Abhi ke liye what I am actually doing is I am reading this book, Who Will Cry When You Die by Robin Sharma. And after that, in my planner, I am going to write down all the tasks that I have in the coming week, all the shoots that I am planning. ये सब करने के बाद then I have an assignment to complete जो मुझे कल देनी है. So it's related to my content work. तो वो I have to complete. I am planning to do shoots. I am just preparing myself. The reason I am reading this book is to prepare myself. Maybe this vlog will be lengthy क्योंकि मैं अभी भी टाइम देख रही हूँ तो 2 मिनट ऑलरेडी मैं बोल चुकी हूँ. But yeah, please watch this vlog till the end and let's get started with our day. So I'm done reading 2 chapters. मैं मतलब 2-3 ही पढ़ती हूँ. एंड उसके बाद जो प्लान आज का सेट करना था पूरे मंथ का वो मैं सेट कर चुकी हूँ. व्हाट आई एम गोना डू राइट नाउ इज़ डू सम एक्सरसाइज ताकि रीगेन कर लूँ एनर्जी. आई वोंट बी एबल टू शूट दैट बिकॉज वीडियोज़ फ़ोन में हैं. सो आई विल बी सीइंग those videos and working out. After that I'll be doing some skincare, taking a bath and get ready for the shoot. So I'm done with the workout and I have to wash my hair today. So I'm using this oil which is from the Ayurveda Experience, Rukshadi Dry Hair and Scalp Nectar. And here is the oil. इसको आधा घंटा लगा के I'll keep, and then face पे I'll put बेसन का pack and all. So I did not have दही तो इसलिए मैंने दूध ऐड कर लिया है. इसमें I'll be adding थोड़ा सा cactus honey. The thing is my body exudes a lot of heat, तो इसीलिए I love these packs that cool my face and गर्मी में ठंडक का एहसास. Also, a lot of people wanted to see my cats, and recently we have been seeing, weight gain in her. So most probably she is pregnant, and we will be taking her to the vet 16th को. So I'm done taking the bath, and now my hair do look better, and moreover मेरी smoothing बस almost I guess ख़त्म ही होने वाली है. I'll again do the smoothing because my hair have actually become really manageable after smoothing, and I don't want to get back to my normal hair again. And my skin looks much better after the face mask. I'll just be doing my skincare abhi ke liye, and then put on makeup. After that, yeah, shoot some videos. और रात को ही I'll be doing the assignment that I talked about. So I was about to start the time lapse, and then it came to my mind that ये vlog ही क्या हुआ if I just don't sit and talk and give थोड़ा सा life का ज्ञान and all. Okay, so I guess just like me, a lot of people will relate. We are so much overthinkers that we tend to think that we are going to spoil a lot of things. Relationships with our friends, with our family. If we overthink a lot, we just feel we don't want to share that क्योंकि share करके ख़राब हो जाएगा, and that is what I also think. High five. But what I have learned from being in a mature relationship now, that sometimes you just need to talk, and sometimes you need to tell the other person that whatever I am overthinking, it has nothing to do with you. It has something to do with my insecurities. And apart from that, आपको भी उस चीज़ पे काम करना है. I'm doing that like पूरे दिन. I'm trying to divert my mind. Because if I just lay around, I am, just gonna, I guess, spoil myself more. Because I'll keep on thinking the things that are not even there. And being in some of the toxic relationships, I guess I have learned that with the right person, you will talk about the things and the other person is going to understand. This is one of the most precious person I have in my life. And okay, so I have, shortened my circle. बहुत छोटा सर्कल हो चुका है, and वो जो सर्कल है वो इतना प्रेशियस है ना मेरे लिए अभी. And it has helped my mental health in a lot of ways, and I'm thankful for that. So I guess agar you are having a bad day, what you need to do is do very small things. You want to take off, do that. Do small things, maybe make lunch for yourself or just exercise. Do any of that thing, and don't put a lot of pressure on yourself. That is what I want to say. Yeah.
कपड़े तो दे मेरे फिर.
And I'm ready for the shoot. अक्षरा अच्छी लगी है ना मैं?
तू पागल है.
अभी टाइम क्या हुआ? ऑलमोस्ट गिरने लगे. 6 बज चुके हैं. आई डोंट नो शूट हो पाएगा कि नहीं, बट
तूने कौन सा कहीं बाहर जाना?
हाँ, देन आई जस्ट यूज माई रिंग लाइट, उसके साथ शूट कंप्लीट कर लूँगी. बट आई हैव टू डू दैट.
कपड़े धो दे मेरे.
कपड़ों के पीछे पड़ी हुई है. तूने कौन सा बाहर जाना है?
जाना है, मैं डेली जाती हूँ.
ऊपर आई थी शूट करने के लिए. आई हैव माई ट्राइपॉड राइट देयर, बट लाइट बहुत ज़्यादा कम हो रखी है, तो मैंने कुछ पिक्चर्स क्लिक किए हैं. दैट्स इट. वीडियो शूट नहीं हो पाई. फॉर अ बैड डे दैट्स ऑलरेडी गोइंग नॉट सो प्रोडक्टिव, बट again letting that sink in, it's okay. Sometimes things don't go as per your plan. I'll shoot tomorrow. Yeah, abhi I'll have something. Uske baad I'll just sit back and work on content writing and everything. थोड़ा काम पड़ा हुआ है, वो कल submissions है मेरी, तो वो I'll do. बाकी this is how our terrace is. घर का बहुत सुंदर है. Perfect for a date. I had my first date here only. Finally, I'm done having my food, and आज का दिन ख़त्म होता है with me starting my periods आज ही. And I wanted to show you one thing, not sponsored, but I so wanted to talk about this because मुझे इंस्टा पे once in a while ये question आ जाता है about menstrual cups. So I have finally started using menstrual cups, and the one that I have is this one from blush. This is, and it is in small, so I guess सबके लिए small ही suitable है. If you are 18 and above and you did not give birth through vagina, so this is the size that you should go for. And the cup is so soft. It's very easy to put in. First time में थोड़ा feel होता है, and the first time I used this, ये दूसरी बार है I am using, तो uncomfortable नहीं था, but you have in your mind that there is something inside which makes it uncomfortable, but there was no leakage, nothing. You can wear your panty liners if you are scared and you are trying for the first time. On my saying, do try this menstrual cup because it is good for the environment and you don't have to use your pads, and even when you are going on your vacations, beaches, kahin bhi, it really comes handy. Yeah, that's the thing that I wanted to talk about, and I'll just take leave now because I'll be working, I'll be completing the content, so there's no need to make vlog aage ka. But yeah, if you liked this candid vlog, do subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment and share it with your friends. Also, if you are feeling down, remember one thing, अगर आप उस दिन कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे, even if you are surviving that day, you are a warrior.